and your brother don't want to be at school, so he tells his teachers that he has COVID and now he can't go back until September 3rd.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Yo, massa boots and cats, my bro. Can you not check I'm trying to exit myself from this page? Yo, you watch later, I'm gonna come fly in your food, you piece of shit.
How the fuck do you go back to school after making some shit like this, man?